Good afternoon, and let's look at what the market is doing this afternoon as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So today the market seems to be a bit volatile. As of now, the market is surely trading in the green. Both the Nifty and the Sensex are up more than 0.2% in trade. Sensex trading around the 58,600 levels. Nifty trading about the 17,400 levels as of now this afternoon. Broader markets, on the other hand, are actually underperforming the benchmark indices today. Both the Nifty as well as the small cap space, mid cap as well as the small cap space is trading in the red. Now, metals seem to have today, in the sector-wise, metals have gained a bit today. They are up more than 1%. Realty doing quite well, nearly up 3% in trade. Other than that, pressure coming in on auto as well as PSU stocks this afternoon in the market. Let's look at the individual stock movers now. So starting with SBI Cards. Now the stock is down as much as 3% in trade today, after we're seeing a block deal of around 3.2 crore shares coming in the company, and it is said that CA Holding is the company which has sold the shares, and it is at a price band of 1,021 rupees to 1,072 rupees per piece. So the company will be raising around 3,267 crores if you count the lower price band. Surely keep an eye out on that, because CA Holding was holding around 6.5% stake in the company as of June quarter. So surely keep an eye out on SBI Cards. As of now, the stock is falling in trade. Indus Star, another stock today actually which is buzzing in trade. We have the stock is up as much as 2% in trade after Jefferies has actually upgraded the stock to a buy from a hold previously, and also they've raised the target price to 310 rupees per share from previously 245 rupees per share. Now the brokerage firm actually believes that the government's reforms are going to lift the key overhang on the company's tenancy, and that is why they're positive on the stock and have upgraded the stock to a buy. And surely we are seeing a positive sign coming in for the stock today. Keytex Garments, another stock that is buzzing in trade, up almost more than 1.5% in trade. Actually, the company has signed a initial pact with the Telangana government for an investment of around 2,400 crores to expand the garment production capacity in the southern states. So sorry, on this expansion news, we are seeing some positive signs coming in for Keytex Garments. ITDC, another stock that is doing quite well in trade today. It's up as much as 3% after agency reports suggest that Indian officials have planned to tweak the conditions to attract investors for Pondicherry and Bhubaneswar Ashok hotels, and surely keep an eye out on ITDC going forward as well. Today, stock is up 3%. Glenmark Pharma, lastly the stock which is also buzzing, it's up as much as 1% in trade after the company has received an ANDA approval for clindamycin phosphate foam. So on the back of this news, we're seeing some slight bit of a positive traction coming in for the stock, up 1% in trade. And these are the stocks that are buzzing this afternoon in trade. Let's see how they end in trade today at 3:30 p.m.